the Filipinas Got Talent Performance Night. Now on to our next semi-finalist.
Noong auditions, talaga naman nagtilian ng lahat ng girls nung makita siya. Dahil he's got the height, he's got the looks, and he's got the talent.
Nakaisa ka doon na. Kasi nakikya na hide ng bit-bit niyang talent. Ngayong gabi, ang sagot ni Jem. Watch this.
I wanna fall in love with you again.
A new beginning for me as an artist. Papatunayan ko silang lahat na kaya ko to. I have this uniqueness in me where I play the guitar, sing, enjoy. Gusto ko pong may pakita na may Cebuano pa pong nilalaban at chance na mananalo sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Sisiguraduhin ko po na maging masaya sila sa gagawin kong performance.
Girls at buong Pilipinas, get ready for the performance of his life. From Talisay City, Cebu, please welcome Jem!
I've been waiting for my dreams to turn into something I could believe in, and looking for that magic rainbow on the horizon. I couldn't see it until I let go, gave in to love, and watched all the bitterness burn. Now I'm coming alive, body and soul, and feeling my world start to turn. And I'll seize every moment and live it out loud. I know this is the time, this is the time. More than a name or a face in the crowd, I know this is the time, this is the time of my life, time of my life. And I'm out on the edge of forever, ready to run, keeping my feet on the ground, arms open wide, face to the sun. I'll seize every moment and live it out loud. This is the time, this is the time. More than a name or a face in the crowd, I know this is the time, this is the time of my life. The time of my life. The time of my life. The time of my life.
At nagwawala ang kababaihan ng BGT. Serenity Band, thank you very much sa inyo. Good job, bro. Scary. Eto, bro, para sa kalaman ng lahat, para malinaw na, ang dami kasing tumitili, ang dami sumisigaw. Once and for all, bro, may girlfriend ka na ba?
Huy!
Wala. Oh, wala.
Single! Single. Single ka.
Okay. Ano ba, isang mabilis lang, ano ba ang hinahanap mo sa isang babae?
Simple, with a great smile. With a great smile.
Simple with a great smile. Okay lang ba sa'yo yung lumalambitin sa harness?
At binabagsak galing taas.
Parang okay na.
Okay, judges?
Si boss dapat ang mauna kasi bias tayo eh. So para at least fair ang opinion, di ba? Go, boss.
Jim, you have definitely improved from the last time that we heard you perform. Much better.
Thank you po. Thank you.
O ikaw, friendship.
Matuwa yung staff natin sa sinasabi ni boss. Ako naman, napaka-fresh mo ngayon, ngayong gabing to. Pinaghandaan mo at nakita ko kung gaano sila tumili kanina sa dancer. Yung mga babae, ang anak ko maiyak-iyak nang nakikita ka. Ang cute-cute mo ngayong gabi na to.
Thank you po.
O Jem, di ba yung mga yung dance selection, yung mga bading, handang mamatay para manalo. Ikaw naman, pamatay ang kagwapuhan mo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much,
Thank you, bro.
judges. If you want to see Jem make it all the way to the grand finals, just remember, PGT space Jem. That's PGT space J-E-M.
Okay, when we come back, yung 5-year-old rocker na small man ang height, big naman ang talent.
Ang pinagmamalaki ng Davao City, si Rafael Pavia, sa pagbabalik ng
Pilipinas Got Talent.